Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of this Alpine Type R 12-inch sub. In this install, we're going to show you what is included with this subwoofer, show you some of the specs, some of the feature, the build quality, and let's get this thing mounted up so we can hear it. Let's get started. Okay, so we got this all pulled apart here. Now, first thing to note, this is a dual voice coil 4 ohm sub. So each coil here has a 4 ohm lead. So when we wire this up, it can be wired in parallel down to 2 ohms or in series up to 8 ohms. And you'll use these little jumper cables to make that happen. Now, power-wise, recommended power is 500 to 750 watt RMS. It can handle a little bit more, but just kind of keep in mind you want to be sending nice clean power to it. Multi-roll surround. It does sit down below. Now we can actually take this off to expose where we screw it in here. Now it has a parabolic cone structure, has a nice Kevlar cone. Now this gasket's pretty cool because once you do get this all mounted, it does cover all the screws. So nice beautiful top here. Let's go ahead and flip this carefully on over. Now flipping this on over, on the back the magnet is a double stack magnet here. We have 8 gauge terminals here. Now like I said, you can wire this based on your configuration using these little banana plugs. So let's say if we want to go ahead and wire this in parallel, what we do is we'd stick these in here, wire each color to color, and then we just choose one side or the other to go to the box terminal or right to our amplifier, and that will read 2 ohms at the amp. Now the basket itself is a really nice cast aluminum frame. It's painted really well. It has a nice feel to it. Now we can go ahead and show you more specs down into the description in case you do want to see those up close. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted up just to hear what it sounds like in the box and throw some power at it. Well, that's about it for this unboxing and demo of this Alpine 12-inch Type R sub. We threw this in a sealed box. If you have any questions about what we did here, post a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe because we post a lot of great content all the time. And we will see you in the next video.